Hello you guys, so welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you guys the package that I received. Alright, so I'm about to open it. Okay, so the company is called Primary, as you guys can see. They sent me out this little package, and it's a 4-in-1 aftershave wipe. So let's open it here. I'll try it on one of my clients later on today and see how they like it. So the wipes, they actually look like little rounds. Oh, it smells really good. That's a plus. So I'm really big on stuff smelling good, and this smells very clean and kind of like a little bit of a mint to it. As soon as I get a chance, I'm gonna try it on one of my clients, see what they think. Normally I do use aftershave, this El Patron, but I'm willing to try this one to see how it works. Here is a little clip of me testing it out on one of my clients. So the scent on it is original scent, and this company, it is a veteran owned, and it's all made in the USA. Thank you so much for sending me out this little 4-in-1 aftershave wipes. If you guys haven't heard of them, go check them out. It smells really good. Okay, so the company is called Primary. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and hit the little bell notification.